湾看世界，美国德州校园的枪击案，讲18岁这个枪手早就预告要来犯案，除了打出着枪械的相片，佮传面册予伊的网友，讲伊家伊的阿嬷开枪，即摆就要去学校大开杀戒。但是社群网站拢无采取着行动，是引起着热烈的讨论。这个枪击案是一直在发生，美国各界包括政要名流拢真激动，甚至气甲安尼转倒，讲一定都要修法来管理枪击。
囡仔欢喜去上课，煞无法度平安转来，家长真伤心。德州校园枪击案带走21条人命，互全美国惊到。当咧拼 NBA 西区冠军的金州勇士队总教练伫比赛进前记者会就讲，今仔日无要讲拿球。
And in the last 10 days, we've had elderly black people killed in a supermarket in Buffalo. We've had Asian churchgoers killed in Southern California, and now we have children murdered at school. When are we going to do something?
18岁青少年这么简单就摕到枪，比赛了后，勇士队的后卫里伊嘛对美国枪造成的乱伤真无奈。
Guns shouldn't be as easily accessible. Like it's easier to get a gun than baby formula right now. That's unbelievable.
发生枪击案的小弟尤瓦德多是奥斯卡影帝马修麦康纳的家乡。伊伫推特发文章，希望莫阁有家长因为枪击暴力心痛。毋但体育和娱乐界，各会议员嘛要求同僚莫互美国的囡仔继续活伫惊吓当中。
I'm here on this floor to beg, to literally get down on my hands and knees and beg my colleagues. Find a path forward here.
除了批评枪击暴力，随着警方调查，18岁枪手相关细节嘛开始验光。伊伫犯案之前捌传信息几下摆，互一位毋捌见面15岁德国女网友发出太人预告。
She's on with AT&T about my phone. It's annoying. 5 minutes pass, then I just shot my grandma in the head. I'ma go shoot up an elementary school right now.
上尾一条信息，就伫犯案之前大约11分钟送出去。另外，枪手伫买枪了后，嘛发出 Instagram 的限时动态，而且标记网友。毋但一摆透过网络暗示要犯案，社群网站到底敢应该有行动？即马嘛变作各界讨论的话题之一。
嗨，我是庄宇杰，想要看到更多的新闻内容吗？赶快订阅华视新闻的 YouTube 频道，并且开启小铃铛，跟着宇杰一起看新闻吧。